Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Look at that picture right there. Everybody know Panny there iron pum pum. And Fresh one of them henchman. Now that a TBB Panny uncle where him a big thief, a murderer, and him a bob and weave down in that place. Now on the right side are the youth that where they get killed, shot when them rob, when them murder Kwame. You understand? And nothing no come out of it, you know. All them things, you know, they just are shown, you know. Can you imagine? It's just like a constant bombardment of traumatic criminal crimes. And the player, and one thing we can say though, the police, it seems like them stay on top of iron pum pum. And Panhead, for some reason I feel like I want to change Panhead name to Ironhead, you know. So you have Iron Pum Pum and Ironhead. Let me know how you feel. Should I change Panhead name to Ironhead? Now, like I said, this picture right here so explain and show some of the people them that's calling the shots with the younger gangster them. And the police know this, the public know this, everybody know this, but for some reason, them can't able for Baba and weave because them have people, friends, Iron Pum Pum have lots of friends in high places in St. Lucia. And I'm quite sure them look out for her. And that's how things is down there. Look at that picture right there. Another nefarious bottom feeder by the name of World Dog from down a Marchland. And him involved in enough gun thing and gun shipping and them thing there. We just are showing, you know, these are some of the videos that I did over the past year. And it not done yet. There is so much more because I have some info on the murders in Viewfort with the young guy and his girlfriend and the other friend. And I am going to put out some of that info in a little bit. But in the meantime, let's focus on this video. If you look at that picture right there, that is Scarecrow and one minion. And as you can see them traveling, doing all sorts of stuff, you know. Scarecrow is one of the leader of the 7 gang in St. Lucia. And everybody know that. Them shoot off of them, graze him, shoot lean back. Now them out of the country. And them youth, them can get visa to travel and do anything, you know. Whereas the typical man in a St. Lucia and Jamaica and them places, nah get certain things. But with the help of certain people them know in government and them things, they are able to achieve that. So, as it says, St. Lucia have no kingpin, because guess what? Every man think them a kingpin in a sense. Look at that picture right there. And that right there is the young man on the left that shot, killed. His other brother just got killed, shot at recently when he came out of jail. But look at the title, and I told them this, that the gang are morphing. So now you see 15-year-olds getting shot, 15-year-old a bus shot. A lot of young guys in their teens or early 20s is involved in the gang. So the gang is actively recruiting these young people. Now, take a look at this picture right here. This was a video I did. Mr. Hayes have 2 daughters, and the mother don't give a damn. The family them don't give a damn. You know Mr. Hayes must be turning over in him grave when him see how them 2 little girls are acting on social media and the kind of thing what they're doing. Now, there is another picture title. Look at that. That's Delilah and Samson. And I named them Samson and Delilah. Obviously, everybody knows that Travis get fling away a couple days ago. And this speaks to the young people, you know. Most of this video here, you know, these people are young people, you know, and this speaks to the crisis that's going on in St. Lucia. Now, me have tons more, you know, title and topics, you know, but me only touch on a few today. Now, let's move on. Now, very important, you see another person in that picture, and that is Yo Killer. And I did many videos on Yo Killer and what he was doing. He's a leader of the 6 gang, was paying money, you know, big money on people, you know. Enough money pay to kill, you know. Enough money assassinate. And he was assassinated in his own country by people that he hired, you understand, to carry out works, you know, and them turned on him. I just want you guys to see that Yo Killer did many videos on him. Really, when you look on these pictures and these titles and these videos, it's really sad and fucking depressing, yo. Now, who remember that video, yeah? The case is solved by a Countryman. So you have Cooley there, the one with the pretty slick back here, and them fling with theme brother. And I think something jump off between brother and Denver. And then just one big mix up. Shane involved, Joanne, they with one of them. Yo, it's just total mix up, you know. In that video, yeah. And with this. And guess what? I can guarantee none of these cases are solved. But I did remember this one. That boy Cooley, he came on the media. I mean, I said, who that team there with his slick back here? And him come and talk about his brother. Then his brother wasn't mixed up. But then it comes out somewhere else. But it went nowhere. It went nowhere. So the police then is definitely lacking, you know. Definitely lacking. And they need to step it up. Look at that picture right there. That's crime creator John Wick, Kent Alexander, and him linked with World Boss. And in this video, you see the one port a gun. And you know them linked to the gun. But guess what? Them still out. Them not arrested. Still doing their dirt. On this small little island, you know. Very small island. Now, this video, so far, it's up to 22 minutes, you know. And we're not done yet. Now, we're going to move on to the next one. Here, my wonderful friend. It's me again. Great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on another video. Now, I'm launching a new membership section on this channel. Now, in the new member section or the members section, you will be getting special videos from different islands and different places where I tackle the hard-hitting subject of gang violence. Videos will be uploaded every week, so there will be a total of 4 videos every month on different gangs from different countries. It's gonna be exciting, so stay tuned. Rock with me, rock with Countryman. I explore the dark and gritty subject of gang violence in the Caribbean. Let's go. Look who that is. That is Baboon Kina, the monster gang. Let me refresh you guys why he's in jail. Them killed 3 people. One of them was a female. And them raped the female. Rape her and kill her. And kill the 2 youth, them the 2 brothers. And take the drugs. Me don't know where the drugs there. We don't know how them now have the money to do such a wicked act. And Baboon King in jail is leading assassinations, sending out hits and stuff like that. Now, remember this guy right here? That is Kwame, who died recently on a planned hit where the man them come down from through the hole in the fence behind the bakery and come down upon him in the boulevard while one man was talking to him and next man come up behind him and get rid of him. Now, part of what Kwame dead for is that he's linking with the Monster Gang and the 7 Gang. And the 7 Gang is doing a lot of things, but the thing is, Kwame, he lives in a 6 neighborhood. And another thing that is very important why Kwame died. Kwame is not from St. Lucia. Now, if you look, if the man them a kill pregnant women, 7 months pregnant, what you think they would do to you? If they're killing 14-year-olds and 15-year-old kids, what would you think they would do to you? So Kwame make a bad move to set up shop right in our 6th zone and thinks that him and everybody cool, even though he's getting money from Pierre, the Prime Minister, to run certain programs. And that right there brings a lot of jealousy also. Now, this next video that I had done, I was highlighting that young man by the name of Justus. And he's been missing for over 15 years, 15 years. And this guy was a young kid and he went to the store and disappeared on a small island like that. Now, I'm wondering if there's some homosexual pedophile killer that is in St. Lucia, and a lot of rampant talk about sacrifice and all sort of crazy stuff I've been hearing from the locals. So I am wondering if, did the cops check out the neighborhood, how many people got missing there? Because for some reason, I just think this little boy was raped and killed in St. Lucia. And that's what I am seeing in my mind. It's not a fact. I'm just telling you from dealing with the case and dealing with lots of these cases. And the way he went missing, you have a batty boy, you have one killer, homosexual, pedophile, serial killer in that neighborhood. And it's been 15 years, so just imagine people who have their kids in these neighborhoods should be on high alert, because the thing with a serial killer, you see, they get thrilled from not getting catching up. And the more they do it, it's the more they get embodied or emboldened, and that's with any form of criminal activity. So this is a concern, and I think the police should be like a cold case squad that will go in and check out these cases, like this missing young man. Now, this video, yeah, last but not least, remember I did a video, and you have a group of girls attack this one young lady, you know, and all of them were young people, you know. And the reason why I did this video is to show what the young people them is on, especially the females them. Let me tell you now, St. Lucia, to me, have the baddest set of females. And when I say bad, I mean bad. So the other day, 2 girls over where Baboon King come from, one of them is his girlfriend, got busted in a house with gun. You see what I'm saying? The girls them deal with gun, them deal with gunman, them a bust them gun, them a set up man. And not every female is like that in St. Lucia, but listen, you see them young girls there, the young one them, from all in a ghetto and them places. Sad to say, but St. Lucia to me have the baddest set of girls them and woman them, you understand, in the Caribbean. Now, what's even more shocking is the silence that comes from the women group, the silence that comes from the authorities, the silence that comes from the community. All you hear is just backdoor whispers. I think that is the biggest problem, and it would be nice to see more groups, churches, see the whole community play a part in solving this scourge which take this beautiful island of about 200,000 people. And, you know, when you see young women, like Mr. St. Lucia have the body set a woman them, can do this on camera and get away with it. No police went and checked them, nothing. Now, what do you expect the rest of the country to do? It's a lawless society in a lot of different ways. Now, like me I said, the onus is on the government, the law enforcement, and also people in the community. They need to stand up and they need to talk. But like me say, everybody licky when politician comes around, or the man them with the drugs money or whatever come around, everybody just forget everything and have a nice time. Them drink chicken, them drink beer, or rum and chicken. Cause they love rum and chicken, you know. Talk shit and gone. And then tomorrow, them wake up in the same fuckery. Listen, my name is Countryman, yo.